Hello everybody. Last year I tried rooting some of a lilac bush, and this year I think I'm a little more prepared now that I have some rooting hormone. I've grabbed some fresh green shoots this time. You want to grab green ones versus the woodier brown stems. So these are likely going to have a better chance of forming roots since they're fresh and new growth this year. So the first thing I'm going to do is strip down the leaves off the lower ends where it's going to be sitting in water. Now that I've removed the leaves on the lower part of the stem, I'm going to find a node near the bottom and cut a V shape with some sharp scissors. The taller stems can go in more of a vase. I'm going to put the small shoots in a cup of water with the root hormone. Now that I have these trimmed, I'm going to use this Take Root by Garden Safe, and I'm just going to wet the edge of the end of the stem and dip it in this root powder and slightly tap it off, and just stick each of these stems into this vase of warm water. Another thing I want to mention is when you're trimming off the roots, you can take your fingernail and scrape on part of the stem to help encourage and take away some of the skin there, which will encourage the root growth. Here are the lilac cuttings now in the window in their vases. The thyme and sage I tried to root from cuttings took about 10 to 12 days, so I hope in a couple weeks I can post an update with the root formations beginning. Hope everybody's doing well. Have a great day.